Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we have a question and answer session. Okay, question and answer session. Let's consider today the question session, and then in the next class I teach you the answers, or I will explain you the answers. Okay, this is a beautiful question. Okay, this is not from a student, it is from the alien. Okay, this is from the alien in the sense it's from me. Okay, my question is, okay, from where, let's just give an example. Okay, we have walls here. Okay, we have different walls. Okay, it's related to views and templates, etc. Okay, my question is, from where is this color become black? Okay, first question. Okay, I just do some settings and then I'll come back to this question again. Okay, coming back to the question. Actually, I know what my question is. Instead of making it a couple of seconds before I asked you, how come this wall is black? Now let me say, how come all the walls have become red? Okay, my question is, from where have these walls color have become red? Okay, if I typed VG and I go to walls, okay, and let's say this is the wall is cut. Yeah, there's no overrides. How come it has become red? Okay, you would say, John, go down. Okay, let's go and see there. Okay, question number 1. Okay, what's the difference between, okay, this is the question from this, let's say part 1 of the question. From where did I get all the walls? All the walls have become red. Even though if I type VG and I've gone down for walls, there is nothing gray, nothing is there. From where did I get the walls? You would say, John, go to walls, we'll see that. Okay, so, but how come all? Okay, let's see, type properties. No. Okay, so let's just select this wall and see which type. A basic interior wall. Okay, basic wall. (138) partition. This one. Right click, type properties. But here it's showing black. Okay, so my question is, how come all the walls have become red? Okay, next question is, let's suppose I'm in a view. Okay, let's suppose I'm in a view. Any comments? Let's suppose I'm in a view. View in the sense, I'm just making things beautiful. Let's say I'm in the first floor, or let's say second floor. Second floor. Okay, I want in this view all the walls to be, let's say, blue color. This anybody can do, isn't it? Go to visibility graphics and then change the cut pattern to blue, isn't it? Make solid. I generally like to have it solid, isn't it? Pattern. So you'll be seeing a pattern also blue, totally solid. You see the difference in a second. Excellent. But if I go to the other views, you see it's still red. Okay, my question is, so there's something called as hierarchy of views, a hierarchy of color. Let's say from some settings there is some hierarchy. So this is my question: from where how did John or the alien make this red color? Okay, when I come to visibility graph, it shows no override, isn't it? Another question is, now let's suppose, okay, there's another alien question. Okay, the question is as follows. Now let's suppose, okay, for these selected walls, if I make a filter, check none, and I say wall, where is my friend walls? John walls. Okay, 10 walls are there. Okay, you can't see it because let me just change the color. So here you can see it become blue select because my selection is in blue color. Okay, let's suppose I did something like this. Type filter, not type, select filter, check none, go and call your friends. 11 walls are there. Excellent. So you see these walls, instead of blue color, I want to be yellow color. Or if you think, no John, it is this way, let me come here. I will select here blue walls. Okay, these blue walls I want to be yellow color. Okay, if you can understand this logic, there is something called as sequence or hierarchy of views or overrides, let's say. So what I want you to do is, okay, I want you to use your alien brains or your human brains or whichever brains you have, okay, whichever processor you have on upstairs, isn't it, upstairs, okay, and tell me, John, this is the way I did it. Okay, I'll show you what the end product, what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is something like this. See, okay, see, before it was red color, excellent. From red we made it blue, excellent. And then some of the walls I wanted yellow color. That is another story. So we have 3-4 questions in this video. I would like you to just maybe rewind and just think about what's the question, what John is asking. Okay, first question is, how come all the walls, or let's say any object, let's say wall specifically, okay, how come the walls are red color? Okay, when we went to families we saw it was still black. Okay, and then we used view templates, sorry, VG, and we got this green color, blue color. Fine. And then John, what he said, let's just show you the trouble, not the trouble, the story. I think I moved my mouse very far. Okay, anyway, here it is blue, then how come it became yellow here? Okay, so what I want you to do is, I want you to give me the answer. How did John do it? Okay, if you can't do it in the next class or something, I will teach you how to do it. There is something called as hierarchy of views. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful questions. I said these questions are from the alien, not from students. Okay, it is from the alien itself, from John itself, from me itself. Okay, so what I want you to do is, I want you to use your brains and tell me the answer in the comment section. John, you have done this, or John, I would have done so and so, whatever may be the story. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful alien class. We see each other in the next class. Actually, this is a good question. I think for some reason they didn't allow John to write the questions for the ACP or RCP, because they know, isn't it, everybody knows what's the consequence will occur. Anyway, take care, and I think we see each other in the next class. If I don't give you the answer, remind me, John, I need the answer. So John, please can you help me with the, what's the trick, the hidden secrets. It's not hidden secret, it's called the basics. That's why I always tell my students, first learn the basics. You know the basics, everything is going to be easy, isn't it? Foundations are strong, you can go up easily. Anyway, we see each other fresh and energized in the next class. Okay, and I think that's it for today. Yalla, bye.